1. At least 1 hour prior to making your decoration, soak your Oasis ball in water and diluted floral food. 2. Choose a working area that includes a table or countertop and a floor that can resist water. 3. On your table, have handy a set of spears and your Oasis half sphere, completely saturated with water. 4. In a separate water-filled container, have ready your 25 rose stems. For the purpose of this decoration, these roses should already be in full bloom. 5. One by one, remove foliage and all thorns from each rose stem and place them on the table. 6. Using your spears, cut each rose stem so that each is approximately 2 to 3 inches in length. 7. Looking at the sphere as if it were a clock, insert a rose at 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock. Place another rose in the belly of the sphere pointing outward. 8. Insert the rest of the roses in the sphere, covering all the vacant spaces or gaps. 9. After inserting all 25 roses, adjust them so that they create a uniform display. 10. Hook or attach your decoration on the pew.